Guys, so in this video we will think about how to evaluate our work. Part of MYP is that we evaluate our work and suggest ways that we could improve it. Let's remind ourselves about the statement of inquiry. Beliefs about creation shape our identities, which can change over time. Throughout this work we have used 5 claims testers. These are intuition, authority, faith, logic, and evidence. We have used these claims testers to try to establish why people hold different views about the creation of the universe. In this unit, you used an action plan. Your evaluation needs to show how you have effectively followed the action plan to explore the research question. You might like to start off by saying, "The action plan helped me by." The action plan has specific sections. You need to follow these sections. I would suggest that you say which part of the action plan you felt was most useful. For example, was it part 1 of the action plan or part 2? This is the first time you have used an action plan, so it's very likely that you would use the action plan differently. Perhaps you would spend more time on the action plan. Perhaps you would read the action plan all the way through. Perhaps you would go back and review the action plan as you go. Try to think about how you would use the action plan differently next time. In this unit of work, we also used a variety of methods to collect and record relevant information. For example, you collected information about a parent or adult view on creation of the universe. You recorded this, possibly using your mobile device. You then wrote this interview up. This is consistently collecting relevant information to the research question. You also did research on the internet. You also discussed these issues with students in the classroom. If you have done these things, you have consistently used methods to collect relevant information about various viewpoints on the creation of the universe. Throughout this unit, we have consistently identified different views. Perhaps the most obvious different views is the difference between science and religion. Have you collected these different viewpoints throughout this unit of work? Your view and how it changed. You have given detailed justification using the claims testers for your opinions about creation of the universe. Here, you should have used information. You should have said as well how your views changed over time and how you probably used a different mixture of claims testers as you grew up. Hey guys, I hope you have found this video useful. Let's remind ourselves about the statement of inquiry. Beliefs about creation shape our identities, which can change over time. I do hope you have enjoyed this unit of work and this video has helped you to evaluate your work. You will now complete the evaluation section in the Evidencer.